Hello from Teacher Toy Shop. Just wanted to take a moment to quickly show you how to build one of the blocks for your Keystone arch. I've already cut out this particular block. This is block number 6, just to save a little bit of time. I've also already, if you'll notice, put my design on it, the sea urchin, and labeled everything, because it's much easier to do that before you put the block together, because the blocks are somewhat fragile once they're built. So I definitely recommend doing that. So with the folding, it's very simple. All of these dotted lines mean make mountain folds. So I've pre-folded them here, except this one just to show you. So I mean, you literally just fold along the dotted line. And then it's very easy. You just, in any order that you like, line up the letters. So 6F goes with 6F. So I'll line that up here. I'm using tape, but you can also use glue. Tape goes a little faster, glue looks a little nicer, obviously, so it's your choice. But there we go. So here's 6D. So here's 6E. Again, if I were gonna, I'm gonna do tape, but if I were gonna use glue, I would just put glue along that tab right there. But either works just fine. And again, I've chosen to do the sides first, but if you prefer, you can, the order here really does not matter. You could have done the ends, which I'm gonna get to in a moment. So here we go. We have, the ends have 6A, 6B, 6C, 6A, 6B, 6C. And that's it. You have a block in your Keystone arch. This is, like I said, block number 6.